Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make these cute little 3D printed moss tiles, also some picture frames with moss and succulents. And here you can see that I prep the succulents to add them to the tiles. Therefore I remove some of the soil and also split the little succulents apart to easily place them. I use a stick to help putting them into the moss and also into the soil. Here I remove some of the soil as well. And this is how it looks when it's ready. And I also add some miniatures for the looks. The 3D printed part is actually made out of resin, UV cured resin on a 3D printer. And it's two parts, it's the cage and the tile, and everything is fixed with some sort of wire. Here I glue the miniatures to the frame. The picture frame version is basically the same. You prep your succulents, remove some of the soil so they will better fit into the frame structure. Some succulents need more space as their roots are grown much bigger, like the one you see now. So I'll open up the frame a little. And then you can easily add the succulent in the much bigger space. Here's a plant that has two leaves down at the bottom, which wouldn't fit in the frame, so I'll drag them off. And you can later on use these leaves to propagate your succulents and grow some more. There will be a video on this on my YouTube channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and tick the bell so you get notified when the video is up and running. In the next step, you add your moss to the frame and place it all around your succulents to make them more stable. When you're finished, you can turn your frame around and put it on some kind of support. This is important so your succulents won't be harmed when you place it downwards. I used the box the succulents came with. And then I'll start fixing a little and adding some more moss. Now you can fill the rest of the frame with succulent soil. Keep in mind that the moss is like a sponge and is compressing a little as well as the soil itself. So make sure to fill the frame very well. And you can also spray it in between layers so it is already a little damp, not too wet. Here's the frame I used. It's a German one, but you will find any frame in your home country. Make sure it's very deep so you have enough space to fill in soil, moss and all your succulents roots. And at the end I'll top it with the glass of the frame and also with the stand. With this kind of picture frame, you can either put it on your desktop or hang it on a wall. And now you can start with your decoration and doing a little touch up, adding some moss where it still was a little empty, or adding some more succulents in the way you did it with the smaller frame with the tiles. And I also use some sticks again to help putting them in. Also adding some of the figures. And this is the finished picture frame.